Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market, and this is GBP USD pair. Okay, there is a level. Okay, I will place a lower option. This is selling pressure, so that's the reason I will place a lower option. Let's see the result. Okay, it's going down. I'll check the next pair. Some sellers are here. Okay. Okay, I'll place a lower option. There is a strong selling pressure, and this is a winning trade. And this is a weak buyers, and this is a strong selling pressure, so that's the reason I will place a lower option. Okay, it's going down. 20 seconds more. I'll check the next pair. And there is a level. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Okay, this is a strong rejection, and this is a reversal point, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. And this also uptrend market. Okay, this is a loss of my trade. This is a continuation sign. Okay, don't worry, sometimes our losses are common. Okay, 20 seconds more. Okay, this is a strong level also. And 10 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This strong candle conformly make a retracement candles. Okay, this is a strong buyers area. Okay, you can see there is a whole area is buyers area, and this whole area is buyers area, and this strong candle try to make a reversal at support level, and 5 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. This is a reversal sign. You can see. Okay, there is a level. It's a support level. This is a reversal sign, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. This also uptrend market, but little bit late entry, but no problem. I will expected candle close above my entry point. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. And this is a loss of my trade, one trade. I will try to recover this trade. And there is a buyer's area. So okay, this is a buyer's area. This is strong sellers. There is a rejection. Okay, we'll place a higher option. There is a small rejection. This is a strong seller's entry, but there is a 50-50 chances. Sometimes or break the level. This is a third time. First time, second time, this is a third time. There is no buyer's entry. Continue the sellers. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, this is also loss of my trade. This is a reversal point. Okay, I will try to perfect analysis. I will take a trend lines. Okay, there is a level. There is a level. Okay, I will try to place a higher option for 3 trades. Okay, 2 trades. One trade has not placed a trade. Time is up. This also strong bullish candle, and this candle make a new high, and this is a some marginal safety trade. After this bearish momentum, this candle make a new high, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. And this also winning trade, but there is no support and resistance levels. I will place a only candlesticks analysis. So finally I will place a 5 trades, all are winning trades. And this OTC market is not good. I am not interested in this OTC market, and please avoid this OTC market. You can trade only regular market. Okay, I hope you, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and if you are interested, joining my Telegram course. Okay, thank you.